Hi guys, oh my god, happy birthday to me. Today is my birthday. Remember the PVC photo drop I made weeks ago? Here we are. So let's get it started. So I made a couple of bow ties. I used the safety pin to clip it and yeah, just like that.
This isn't your normal birthday song. This is me telling you what I think about you. Your heart is pure. Your heart is beautiful. Your heart is pure. Your heart is beautiful. Your heart is beautiful. Your heart is beautiful. You're not just another fine face in the crowd. You're not just another beautiful voice in the midst of many. Your heart is pure. Your heart is beautiful. I will show you now what you never seen. I could tell you now things you never. This isn't your normal birthday song. This is me telling you what I think about you. Your heart is pure.